To have this kind of line that is wanted to deceptive, but knowing it for the test, so that is a brainy bonus. I'm cooked to a cronus, math classes, hocus pocus, Y's and X's and B's. Please, I'll teach you this for free. Plot B, up M and over 1. Slope by and T, starting to feel fun. Now listen, Moose Coop, these guys don't poop. Math troopers, and the best teacher is Miss Cooper. And the next teacher knows. He'll teach about slope, his name's P-Bo. Here we go, listen close. Rest.
Forget all the rest, I'm gonna teach y'all about slope and accept. First you get the y equals mx plus b, and once you get these beats, the functions are easy. If you don't know slope, I'll help you cope. You take y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's a slope, and intercept is b. And if you needed some help, it's easy. Now hear the next teach. He's ballin', I'll quit stalling, cause next on the mic, it's calm.
Man, I just saw this graph and had an equation, dude. This made me laugh. Y equals mx plus b, you see. So y equals 2x plus 1. The 2 is the rise over 1. 1 is where it crosses the y-axis. Man, these graphs are really fun. 2x tells you to go up, kinda like you're filling a cup. 2 is the same as 2 over 1. The 1 is the run. It's kinda like you're going side to side, like you're taking a ride on the countryside. Man, this ain't baby stuff, and I see how it is tough. Might as well be standing up here and rambling. Man, you're Chinese, so get out your notes and write it down, please.
Slope-intercept form, I've noticed I was born, it's never been foreign. Man, then you include slope, man, it's really dope. Then you got the y, you don't need pi, it doesn't take a smart guy. Graphing ain't that hard, point the graph of y, then you go slope, then you don't need no hope. Then you just go up or down, like left or right, just taking a bite, corn on the cob with your best friend Rob. Then you gotta draw a line that is straight, if it ain't, you're gonna have to erase. Slope-intercept is cool, can't wait to get in the pool. Graph, 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 graph.